Hey! In front of me is REALME 10 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this REALME. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer Flare tool, DevCheck Device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. And now, as you can see, from here you can learn all about your REALME's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!